Tama naman, no? Itong dalawang doktor na to, si Doc Alvin at si Dr. Dex Makalintal. Tama naman sila sa sinasabi nila tungkol sa hindi essential ang kolesterol. Okay. Coach Dave here. Another day, another vlog. Parang hype ba? Anyway, another day, another vlog, no? Pasadahan lang natin yung medyo matunog, no? Na collaboration vlog between dalawang doktor, no? Itong si Doc Alvin at si Dr. Dex Makalintal, no? Marami kasi yung nagsasabi na panoorin ko, maraming nagsasabi na kesyo ganito, kesyo ganyan, no? Pasadahan natin yung isa sa mga sinabi nila, yung sabi daw, no, ng mga low carbers, hindi essential ang carb, particularly yung glucose, no? Ganun din naman daw ang cholesterol, no? Kasi marami sa mga low carbers, and it seems akala ng nilang dalawa, it seems akala ng marami, sinasabi ko na essential ang cholesterol, essential kainin, no? Hindi ko maalala ang sinabi ko yun. Maaaring ibang mga low carbers ang may sabi nun. Pero sige, pasadahan natin, no? Hindi daw essential ang cholesterol tulad nung sinasabi ng mga low carbers daw na hindi essential ang glucose. Okay? Kasi daw, nagpo-produce din daw ng katawan natin, no? Via the liver, no? Yung cholesterol. Just like yung glucose, nako-convert, no? Nagkakaroon ng gluconeogenesis sa katawan natin from protein or fat, no, to glucose para sa mga kailangan natin na glucose. So, in that sense, that makes both glucose and cholesterol non-essential. Okay? So, pasadahan natin yung topic na yan. So, tama naman, no? Itong dalawang doktor na to, si Doc Alvin at si Dr. Dex Makalintal. Tama naman sila sa sinasabi nila tungkol sa hindi essential ang kolesterol. Okay? Kasi pag sinabi nyong essential na nutrient, this is something na hindi kayang i-produce internally, no, ng katawan natin. Yun yung essential na kailangan natin kainin. Kasi nga, hindi kayang i-produce ng katawan natin anything, any nutrient, such as glucose and cholesterol na hina-highlight nitong si Dr. Dex at ni Dr. Dex at ni Doc Alvin, no? Any nutrient that our bodies can produce or convert on its own is considered non-essential. So on that note, tama talaga si Doc Alvin at si Dr. Dex doon sa sinasabi nila. Tama sila na kung sinasabi ng mga low carbers na ang glucose ay hindi essential sapagkat nagpo-produce ang katawan ng glucose via a process called gluconeogenesis, then on that same logic, hindi rin dapat essential ang pinagkakakain nating cholesterol sa meat, egg, seafood dahil ang katawan natin has the ability to produce its own cholesterol via the liver primarily. So, making it hindi essential kumain ng cholesterol. So, tama sila doon. Okay? Tama naman sila doon. Dumating or naging notion lang yon ng mga low carbers. Again, hindi ko yun sinabi. Naging notion nga lang yun because we eat food, meat, egg, seafood na high in cholesterol at hindi nalinaw ng ilang mga quote-unquote big low-carb personalities o yung mga sikat na low-carbers, hindi nila nailinaw kapag nagsasalita sila, kapag nagtuturo sila, hindi nila nailinaw sa mga followers nila na hindi yung cholesterol per se ang kinakain natin sa meat, egg, seafood. We do not eat meat, egg, seafood for its cholesterol simply because we can produce our own cholesterol. Just like we do not eat rice, bread, pasta for its glucose, simply because we can produce glucose on our own. So, hindi yun yung rason kung bakit tayo kumakain ng meat, egg, seafood. Nadadamay lang yung pagkain ng cholesterol kasi pag kumain ka ng meat, egg, seafood, naturalmente, mapapakain ka ng cholesterol. Now, the good thing with our body, or our bodies for that matter, is that it can adjust. So kapag kumain tayo ng high in cholesterol na pagkain, yung liver natin would essentially stop producing cholesterol because there is dietary cholesterol. Magpo-produce lang siya kapag feeling niya kulang yung kinain nating cholesterol. Pero kapag sapat naman yung kinain nating cholesterol, okay naman yung dami ng kinain nating cholesterol, hindi na siya magpo-produce. Okay? Ganon siya. Hindi naman yung kumain ka ng sandamakmak na cholesterol, magpo-produce pa rin yung liver mo ng sandamakmak na cholesterol. Hindi ganon. Pag wala kang kinain na cholesterol, magpo-produce yung liver mo ng cholesterol. Assuming your liver is okay. Kapag may kinain kang cholesterol, kulang yung kinain mong cholesterol, pupunuan ng liver mo yung kakulangan. Pag kumain ka ng cholesterol na sapat, sakto, hindi na magpo-produce yung liver mo ng cholesterol. Ganon kasimple. Okay, so on that note, tama, no? Tama si Doc Alvin at si Dr. Dex Makalintal. Pero yung sinasabi nila na wag nang kainin ng meat, egg, seafood dahil nagpo-produce naman tayo ng cholesterol, yun, para sa akin, mali. Bakit? Kasi unlike rice, bread, pasta, the only nutrient na nandun mainly is glucose. And we can produce it. There is nothing else in rice, bread, pasta that we need except for glucose that we can produce. As compared to meat, egg, seafood, there are a lot of nutrients inside meat, egg, seafood that we need to consume because our bodies won't be able to produce it. So that being said, the reason why we eat meat, egg, seafood, it is not because of cholesterol, nadadamay lang yun. The main reason why we eat meat, egg, seafood is because we need to consume the essential nutrients na nandoon, nutrients that our bodies won't be able to produce, such as iron, no? Iron, zinc, vitamin A, D, E, K. Sa susunod, i-mention ko lahat ng essential nutrients. Hindi ko kabisado. Pero basically, kailangan natin ng mga nutrients na nasa meat, egg, seafood. Nutrients that our bodies do not produce. Nutrients that hindi maibigay ng rice, bread, pasta. Nutrients that kung meron mang gulay o prutas na makakapagbigay, kulang. Kaya nga merong supplementation, kaya merong fortification. So I hope I'm clear, no? Tama na hindi essential ang cholesterol sa perspective ng dapat ba natin kainin simply because parang glucose nakakapag-produce tayo. Pero mali to think and compare na hindi rin tayo dapat kumain ng meat, egg, seafood dahil nagpo-produce naman tayo ng cholesterol, just like hindi tayo dapat kumain ng rice, bread, pasta because nagpo-produce tayo ng glucose, simply because there are a lot of other nutrients that we need from meat, egg, seafood. We cannot get it from rice, bread, pasta. We cannot produce it on our own. We cannot produce it on our own. Hence, the essentiality of consuming it. Okay? So, I hope I'm clear, no? Doon sa issue na yan. And until my next vlog.